over 80 to 90% open rates, and this thing will take over email marketing at some point. So hey guys, what's up? RJ here, and today in this video we are simply talking about messenger bots. Now if you don't know what messenger bot is, messenger bot generally connects to your Facebook page, which is your official page on Facebook, and then what we simply do is that we will simply do the marketing just how we do with email marketing. Now if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and like this video and hit your notification bell on. Now if you go into the software that we are using ManyChat. And the beauty of messenger bot marketing generally is that the open rate is like way too high when it comes to email marketing. But remember one thing, email marketing is important because everyone will say to you right now that money is in the list, because it's the only real estate asset they simply have. So but still you need to diversify your traffic sources, like you need to diversify on email marketing, on Facebook group, on messenger bot, like everything else you need to diversify your traffic and then have a grip on one traffic source to diversify your income. So generally if you see right now, I had like 4 growth tools. I will dive into everything over here on the dashboard, how messenger bot works. But if you see, there are like 9 opt-ins of this one particular growth tools, and they're like 100% open rate and 71% click rate. Now if you notice that if you're sending email, and no matter how much engaged your email list is, they know you're getting yourself 80 to 90% something like that open rates. Okay, it's not going to happen even though it's highly engaged list. So over here if you see, 9 people opted into this general growth tools and 100% opened this, and 71% click rate. Like the click rate is so high. The best thing about messenger bot generally is, since it's connected to Facebook, and now if someone opts into your messenger bot and once you're sending them broadcast and all of those things, what generally happens is that it will hit them to the notification, and no matter what happens they will check, at least check that message. So it will count as an open rate, and if that thing attracts them, then it will be count as a click rate. So that is the main reason why the open rate and the click rate over the messenger bot in comparison to the email marketing is so high. So yeah, if you see another thing, Stripe video sequence, if you see 19 opt-ins, if you see 100% open rate over here and 100% click rate, and free 4-day training, it's like 100% conversation conversion. Okay, so it's 100% open rate. Now the thing is that the software that I'm using, ManyChat, is generally they have a free plan. The link will be in the description down below. You can simply use that and get yourself simply and everything that you simply need to start your messenger bot marketing stuff. So it's totally free for the first plan, and then you can simply use the later plans. Now if we go for the general overview of everything that is available in the ManyChat, the first thing is that I've just created a random page just to let you know that how it works. So in comparison to this stuff, if you see over here, there is an active subscriber bot, like 2 people subscribe and 2 net subscribers. Total active subscriber on this page and on this bot is 35. If you see over here, the language of the people, French, English, Arabic, and the gender of the people. And over here you will see there are like content overview, like there are how many flows, grow tools, sequences, ads, trigger rules. We will go simply in all of these stuff right away. It's just an overview first of all, and then on the right side you will see there's a last modified flows, like what is the last modified flows, how that works, and everything else. So that's how it goes. Okay, so there's another things like few of the tips and tricks that you can simply use for your messenger bot. Other than this, on the audience part you will see who are the people who opted into your bot, like complete list of the people who have opted in, and on which day that they have opted into your bot. And on the right you will see what are the tags that were hit to those people out there, because the thing is that it's generally the messenger bot is almost like the email marketing. Like how hard you do the email marketing, that's the same thing that you can simply do with the messenger bot. But right now, the time of this video, the things will be changing right now. Okay, so I will try to keep you update with everything that will change to that messenger marketing and how it works. So right now what tags how works, if you don't know, is if you hit the tag, then on the certain condition of the tag you can simply retarget that people out there, and you can simply do whatever you want to send the particular broadcast to only that particular list who have that particular tag. That's how tags work and everything. So you will see over here the list of the people who have opted into your bot. Other than this, there are live chat. Okay, so there are live chats, like if people are, since ManyChat is connected to your Facebook page, any message that is being sent to your Facebook page will be counted as a live chat over here. Plus, if no one is opting into your bot and someone comes over to just hit you a message on your Facebook page, it will opt into your messenger bot directly. So like, easiest way to opt in into your messenger bot, and you can simply later on hit them up with your offers or anything else, how you will broadcast and everything. Other than this, there's a grow tool. Now, if you don't know what generally a grow tool is, in simple words, growth tool is something, the way that you can simply get those people into a messenger bot and then simply later on put them up as an autoresponder. You can simply get this grow tool as an autoresponder, but for messenger bots. That's how grow tools work. Like, there is a certain list that is already created, and this is the, if I show you right now, like free domain video, if you click on it, you will see whatever the message, the first message you have set up, like we set up as an autoresponder, whatever we have set up, we will set that up over here, and then on the setup part we will get ourselves that particular link of that particular growth tool. Okay, so now if we copy this link, they will go whatever the message we have set up for this purpose, it will go. I don't know why it's not loading over here right now on the right. Whatever your message will be, it will start to display, and first of all they will opt in using that particular growth tool into the messenger bot. That's how it generally works. And then once you have opted in from that growth tool, if you have set up any type of sequences that we generally do in email marketing softwares, if we are doing email marketing, we do set up after the first instant autoresponder mail, we also set up the other emails that will hit them up after a certain type of sequence, like after a 1 day or 2 day after the person have opted in. You can simply do whatever the sequence you want to enter that people in. You can simply set any type of these things up, and there are like multiple type of grow tools over here. Since it's a demo account, so I have a limit of 4 grow tools. Otherwise, if you are on the $10 per month plan or $9 per month plan, it's totally unlimited depending upon the bot list that you have. Okay, it's for like 500 people, it's $10 a month, and then it will generally increase on the price on the list of the people you have in your messenger bot. So I haven't tried ads for that particular purpose. Other than this, there is broadcasting. Now broadcasting is generally how we see broadcasting in email marketing, or if you see a newsletter. Okay, and if you see, if I've sent up the broadcast and like for 33 people, because I just wanted to test out everything, still 69% it's open rate. What read percent is, it's an open rate, and 9% it's a click rate. Still so high, because the main point is that the open rate is like so high, then there will be higher chances for the people to click for that purpose. And I've just tried and everything else just for broadcast, and if you see, the open rate is way too high, like 84%, 85%, it's 92%. Even though I've sent only to 13 people over here, it's 32 people over here, and the click rate is like 6.25, 10%, 15%. So the open rate in most cases not going to be that high when it comes to email marketing softwares. If you are doing email marketing, it's not going to be that high. That's the main beauty when it comes to messenger bot marketing. And I haven't tried paid messages, because the thing is that paid messages is something like, if you are paying messenger bot or ManyChat for sending any message, it will be something like a paid stuff, a paid advertisement, but using messenger bots. That's how paid messages work. I haven't tried it out, and I think it's good for anyone who want to use messenger bot when it comes to paid advertisement. Automations. Now what automations generally work is that there are certain things that already got changed, because you know the policies of Facebook, and once it's related with messenger marketing, change every time. So everything is changing from few months. So you can simply set up what your default reply will be if someone opts into your messenger bot right away. Like if someone gets into your page and he wanted to message you, what should be the first message that goes directly? If there is nothing set up or nothing autoresponder being set up, you can simply set up what your message should be. Your welcome message, you can simply select anything that you simply want. Okay, but there are like certain restrictions that you can simply need to keep in your mind. Your keywords, what's your keywords, that on that certain keyword it can take certain type of action. Like if someone want to do unsubscribe to your bot, he can simply type stop or unsubscribe and he will be out of your bot list. Okay, so that's a really cool way that you can simply use keywords to take certain actions and it can be done. Now sequences, what I simply call an autoresponders that you have already set up. Okay, because if you have set up the first message on your grow tools and then you want sequences to be set up, then you can simply go and new sequence over here. Once you go, like, it's a free account, so it has limitations. So wait, let me show you. If that's a free 4-day training, what you can simply do generally is you can set up one that is immediately, that what happens once someone is opting in, they will get this message, and then after 1 day this one, after 1 day this one, and this one. Like it's everything. That's how autoresponder works. So it's awesome way, and the best thing is that you will get high open rates. If you see anyone, even though it's sent one time, the open rate is 100%, even though there wasn't any click-through rates, because I was targeting these people on the email marketing platform as well, which I was using GetResponse for that. So I was targeting them as well on there. There are like certain rules over here for the automation. As I told you, you can simply set up whatever the rule that you can simply set for your audience when it comes to when you are targeting those people. Flows over here, flows is like something, everything that is simply combined, whatever it should be, a sequence or any messages or any keyword or any welcome message, anything that is set up in a complete your messenger bot, it counts as a flow. Okay, you can simply create any type of flows, and there are like two types of people that simply use and how they do marketing. One is the simplest way, that's a simple like a simplest thing, that the way that they simply do, like a simple menu and everything else. Or other than this, there are like some great charts over there. Okay, they do workflows, then they hit tags. This happens if they are advanced. If they are beginner, they're using a simple tool like that, a simple menu like over here. But if they are an advanced level, then they create huge type of flows, that if this action happens, then this will happen, otherwise this will not happen. That's how we're simply going to retarget, and after 1 day 2 day, this certain things going to be happening. So that's how they do, if they are an expert one. Okay, the look, the thing is that everything is same when it comes to messenger bot and email marketing, but the core difference is that on messenger bot right now you're getting high engagement. Okay, high open rate, high click rate, those things are way too high. And it's not a problem just to create and grow your list. Always grow and diverse your traffic sources. You can simply use messenger bot to get people into your email list, to get people into a Facebook group, to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Like there are so many things that you can simply do when it comes to messenger bot. So like it's a way good thing if you want to have your grip on one another traffic source. That's way too awesome. Okay, for another things, they are like settings, general settings, whatever you want to do. If you want to use your own domains like everything else, if you want to have a bot and everything, whatever you want to do, you can simply do it. You can use any type of templates, like every template that you simply think you need. If you're an e-commerce, you can still use ManyChat as a messenger bot platform, and then you can simply retarget those people who have left your cart or everything else. You can simply do that with this messenger bot. And if you're doing retargeting, it's a way too good thing, because if they have left the product and you're messaging them directly, if they've opted in into your bot, it's a very awesome way to get those people into customers back. And retargeting is way too high. It's the best thing that you can simply have if you want to get your money. And I think, yeah, okay, yeah, that's it. So the thing is, if you want to start ManyChat, it's totally free. Link is in the description down below. And once you signed up, just hit me up on my Facebook profile or on my Facebook page or in my Facebook group. I will give you free training of how to use ManyChat, of how you can simply use it and get yourself the first 100 subscribers if you took action in a right way in like 30 days. So like it's way too easy. So that's it for now. See you next time.